Hey, this is Bob at RIVA Motorsports and Marina of the Keys. I'm going to show you today my brand new Sea-Doo jet skis. I've got great models. They're going quick. These are already sold, but guess what? I got more in the boxes still ready to go. Come and get a brand new one. Let me go through right now and show you some of our special models of these Sea-Doo jet skis. This is the FishPro Sport. So this has got the 170 Rotex engine in it. Now, you also are going to get a FishPro with a Garmin. It's going to have the biggest storage you can get. Open this up and it's amazing. It's going to come with a cooler on the back. And my favorite feature, it has the IDF button. That means it's the debris freeing system. So if you get seaweed, seagrass clogged up inside underneath, all you got to do is turn on that IDF button. It does that reverse blow. All right. Here, let me show you my next ski. This is my WakePro 230. That's going to have the supercharged engine on it. You're talking 62 to 65 miles an hour, but it's a WakePro because it comes with the ski tow pylon, and you got those young kids that, hey, they want to do some wakeboarding. This is going to create that opportunity for you to do that. This also has the IDF button, and it comes with sound, all right? Check out the WakePro 230, and let's move over to my next ski. If you want the smoothest, baddest ride of Sea-Doos out on the water, you need to come and get this GTX 325. Rides like a Cadillac, takes off like a sports car. 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Has an IDF button. The 2026 went to a bigger screen. It's got a 10.25 inch screen, which also has the GPS monitor on it. Come down. You need to see this pearl white. I also have it in teal. This is the GTX Limited 325. All right, it's jet ski season. Now, you want a deal? This is my 2025 RXP-X 325. Same speed as the GTX Limited, but this is a little more of a touring one where you've got some extra fun and extra playness on it. So we can add the RIVA racing kit to this one, all right? Get on down here. Let me make you a deal on the RXP-X 325. Now let's go look at the fishing models. Come with me. My first fishing model I got for you, this is the 2025 FishPro Apex. That's the special edition. It comes with a windshield. It comes with a grab bar. It comes with a larger Garmin. It comes with 300 horsepower. This is going to be a 68 miles an hour machine, and I have it on sale, available, ready for you. This is my last one. Come down and get it. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait for the next special editions that come out. Now, let's take a look at the FishPro Trophy. The FishPro Trophy is going to have the Garmin, the IDF. We go back down to the 170 horsepower. That's about 56 miles an hour. I have that same machine. This seat right here, it comes up. It sits on a swivel stick. So when you're fishing, you can have 360 degrees of fishing. It has the IDF button. It has sound. It has the cooler. It's got rod holders. It's got cup holders. This is a great machine that you need to come and get. This is the FishPro Trophy. Now, let's go check out the last one, which is the Explorer. Hey, the Explorer Pro is super cool, all right? Like the Apex, it has the windshield. It's got the grab bar. It is going to come with the IDF button. It has the 10.25 inch screen, but you got to check this out. For all those people that think they need to take everything with them when they go out on the water, it's a 55-gallon storage down here that you can get into, all right? And then when you come along to the back, look at this extra space. They added this extra decking so you can put a cooler right here. You can put a gas can right here. You can put a dry bag right here. You can change it all around, or you can just go to the sandbar, put a blanket on it, and it'll be a nice seat while you're just hanging out at the sandbar. Hey, this is Bob at RIVA Motorsports Marina of the Keys. You need to give me a call, 305-451-3320. Let's get you on one of these jet skis today.